friends, you're watching Little Creative Kids. So today I'm going to become a scientist. So I put gloves because I have the ultimate science kit. So I'm really interested in this. So if you want to buy this, you can go to the Amazon and you can type ultimate science kit. So let's start to the video. So this is the kit I have bought in Amazon. So I should open it. This is for 8 plus 8 kids and it consists of about 100 experiments. So you can do 100 experiments with this kit. So they have given an instruction manual. Okay, there are two instruction manuals actually. See, there are two instruction manuals. So one is the science kit instruction manuals and another is for the bonus experiments manuals. So these are the chemicals: vinegar, glycerin flakes, and what is this? The cornstarch. And these are the food grades, means food colors. And this is a non-toxic glue powder. And this is baking soda and citric acid and crystal powder. Yeah, it's crystal powder. So these are the chemicals is used for the experiments. So this is the tool kit. Let's open what is this. Whoa, see here. That's a test tube. So this is test tube holder. And a beaker, a small beaker, and 2 cups. In fact, 3 cups. And a funnel. And spatula. The stirring sticks is called a spatula. And 2 straws. And this is I think we should pour something inside. So I don't know. So let's start the experiment.